Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? Okay, have you measured your time spent on each channel in comparison with the return on that investment for each channel? Um, yes, I can see how much impressions I'm getting, clicks, conversions, and so on. So yeah, absolutely, we can, and that's the beauty of these ads. You can track each and every click, every conversion, every video view, and so on. Without tracking, you should not and never should run your ads, and everything is tracked. So we know that it is either working or not working. Okay. Yes, Mark, Quora is an amazing place. You can even go and just put in replies to your questions. And another tip which I will give to all of you is I've answered 10 questions over here. I can then go to Quora, search for questions like these, and I can put in my video in that question, and I get even more views from there, because most people on Quora are typing in and putting in a reply using text, whereas when I go in there, I reply using video. And with the video, I have my branding, my headshot, my logo, pretty much everything on there. So it works really, really well. Okay, Rory. Does pausing your campaign harm it when you turn it back on? Does Google need to relearn? Yes, it does. Yeah, absolutely. The algorithm needs to restart. And especially if you are running smart bidding, I would not recommend that you stop, start, stop, start.